Alright, I got it. Hey, we got a case. There's some drug dealers down by the gas station. We gotta get them before they get away with it. Alright. You in position?
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, they're coming.
Good.
Gas prices these days. Man. Cost piece of junk. Yo, I told you not to call me. No, man, I'm serious. I almost got stuck. I know I was supposed to have 10 minutes ago. This person runs real late. Alright. Alright, man, I'll call. I told you I'll call, alright? See ya. Hey, finally you picked up your phone. Thought it was off or something. Yo, but you're supposed to be here 10 minutes ago. I was here right on time, but not you. I need this stuff now. Alright, you better be here. Yo, dude. That. Good. I'm waiting for this. Should be everything. You got all that stuff.
You know this stuff is legal, right?
That's what I'm doing. Alright. Better keep quiet, man. Okay. Better scream. That's right. Right here, Dad, Mom. Please, look there. No, move. Run. Headquarters, come in. He got away. Ooh, I can't believe he got away. Run. Where is he went? So right in front of you the whole time. Little blind up there? Drop the gun. Oh, can you see this? What are you talking about? Hey, who's this? Oh, Officer Freak. Yeah, don't go inside anymore. Watch your back. Turn around. Just don't tell anybody about this. Maybe, just maybe, I won't blow your brains out. So you better just shut your little mouth. Or Your mouth shut. Just joking around, man. I was joking. Good job. Who are you? Oh my gosh. Who's this person? Little pretty girl up in here? She's a cop or something? What are you, proof? What was in the case? It was props for my movie.
You know what?
There's some movie I'm making with my friends. I saw all your crap. You better bet. That person,
Props?
Yes, props. Yeah, you saw that person.
So now it's judge.
You saw that person that I supposedly killed. That was in my movie. It was part of my movie, man. So, it's props also. The movie. He's dead. The movie's gonna be here.
Don't do it.
Oh, shoot. Ah! Whoa! Ah! Whoa, sugar! Pretty!
What do you have here?
Already heard enough. Don't even touch me. Don't even touch me. I can take you across the one
Cell
touch.
phone.
No.
One text. Last 50 erased. Text messages saying bring the stuff.
You still want to convince me that it's props? Yes, bring the props. You know
Then how come you sent that text message? Somebody sent it to you.
Why are you him? Yeah, he said bring the
You
props.
deserve it.
You know us actors talk, you know?
You sent it.
Get over yourself. Get over yourself or I'll shoot you again. Get behind your back.
There's more drugs in the car.
Help me get him up. Oh my gosh, I'm serious. Get up.
Huge foot to try to
Stupid cops, man. Boom! Boom! Ah! Ah! Boom!
I'm sorry, I didn't kill him. Forget the ambulance, just get 2 body bags.